This mystery box was supposedly valued at $30 for everybody, but it did say that the products inside of it may vary. So here we go. It came from FedEx. So, as you probably read, I got a vintage Burger King bag. My dog kind of bit it a little bit, but it's okay, I forgive him. I also got an empty bottle of ketchup. It's kind of interesting. See if there's anything actually inside of it. Doesn't feel like it. Nope. And then I did get a Doordash promo code for a free Whopper with free delivery. And then I got a wig and a hairnet. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you got anything different in your mystery box, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you're still planning to order on DoorDash from Burger King, there is still free delivery with purchases of $10 or more until February 4th. Thanks for watching.